Someone who manages a museum is called a curator. Imagine that you are a curator. What problems could you possibly have? What nightmares about your work could wake you in the night? Surely museum curators have jobs with little stress or worry. Perhaps the curator of the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge thought this as he went to work one day last week. On his way into the office, perhaps he passed a group of 3 beautiful and valuable Chinese vases. For years the museum had displayed the vases on a windowsill on a staircase. But they're not there now. For later that morning, a visitor came into the museum. One of his shoelaces was undone. He tripped on the shoelace. He fell down the stairs and crashed into the 3 vases on the windowsill. He smashed not 1, not 2, but all 3 of the vases into smithereens. Other visitors took photographs of the accident on their mobile phones. The next day, many of the newspapers carried pictures of the man lying on the floor, surrounded by pieces of the broken vases. Fortunately, he was not badly hurt. The museums say that they hope to repair the vases. I wish them luck. Goodbye.